What's up, bitches? Ghostface here, and today we're gonna unbox and review Profi multi-hair trimmer set MT8240. So as you can see, everything is set here. Unfortunately, it's in German. So let's open it and check everything out. Profi Multihaar-Schneideset. Auf diese Technologien können Sie sich verlassen. Okay, what we have here? Manual and warranty. Okay, that is not important. First, we got bag. So we can put it nicely when we're traveling somewhere, or if you just want to keep it in there. Very sexy. Okay, there we have it. Or should we start? Yes, of course, with trimmer. Okay, first thing I want to say is that this is waterproof, which is actually very important for me, at least, because I always want to wash it after using so I can keep it perfectly clear. I thought this is plastic, but this is actually ceramic. Okay. Then we have these casual, I believe it can go from 2 to 15 millimeters. Okay, then we have, okay, this one is for very short hair, almost like a shaver. Then we have this one for nose hair and ear hair. And the last part is this. Which I believe is for body. So I'm gonna return this one that was originally here. Sexy. Okay, then we got, this is a charger. Actually, it's just a stand. And this is a charger. Then you got a small, this for cleaning. You got oil if you get rusty or something. And you even got two combs, man. Small one and the one with two sides. And that is it. So I'm gonna see you soon.